Breaking news coming in. Leaders of farm outfit BKU Krantikari have claimed responsibility for the security breach in which stalled Prime Minister Modi on a flyover for 20 minutes yesterday. The BKU leaders said that their workers had laid siege to the flyover. BKU Neta Surjit Singh Phool released a Facebook video to thank his supporters. That's the latest coming in at the moment. Questions arise on why would they now stop the Prime Minister's cavalcade when the farm laws have been repealed, their demands have been fulfilled, or then the question arises is that whether they were aware that the Prime Minister was in that particular cavalcade. These are questions that the BKU leader will have to answer now. This is a huge security lapse, and them going on to claim responsibility for the security breach that stalled Prime Minister Modi on a flyover for 20 minutes yesterday. Big questions are rising on whether they knew the Prime Minister was a part of this cavalcade. And the other question, of course, is that why now when the farm laws stand to be repealed?
ਮੋਦੀ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੂਹਰੇ ਕਿੱਲ ਕੱਢੇ ਸੀ ਮੋਦੀ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਉਹਨੇ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਥੱਲੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਤੇ ਅੱਗ ਵਿਛਾਤੀ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਤਾਕਤ ਨੇ ਮੋਦੀ ਨੂੰ ਰੈਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਮੋਦੀ ਨੂੰ ਭਜਾਦਾ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿੱਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਵਾਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਤੇ ਅੱਗ ਵਿਛਾ ਕੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਅੱਜ ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀਰ ਦਮ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਲੜੇ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
कैसे संभव था चन्नी जी? और देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री की सिक्योरिटी के लिए आप लोगों ने कोई खासा अरेंजमेंट नहीं किया? हम लोगों ने अपनी आंखों से देखा है। मेरे हाथ जोड़ के माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी से निवेदन है, मेरा हाथ जोड़ के माननीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी से निवेदन है कि पंजाब के अंदर राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू कर दिया जाए
कि पंजाब के अंदर कानून का नहीं राज अराजक तत्वां का राज है और ये सरगना जिहड़े ने वो चन्नी साहब ने मैं तो ये इल्जाम ही नहीं बिना सरकार दी मिली भगत दे बिना मुख्यमंत्री दी इन्वॉल्वमेंट दे इस प्रकार किसी दी हिम्मत नहीं है कि पीएम दे काफले दे अगे आ जाए।
Manjeet Sehgal is now joining us live from Bathinda, Punjab. Manjeet, this is a huge story that we're breaking at the moment. Some of the BKU supporters have come out there and claimed responsibility for this particular security breach. I do not understand Punjabi properly, but if you could just translate the bites that we just played out on India Today right now, and what are they exactly claiming? Two questions arise over here. One is, did they know the Prime Minister was travelling on this cavalcade, and was this done on purpose by them? Because if the answer to that is yes, it's unacceptable to breach the Prime Minister's security like that. And number two is that if the farm laws have been repealed, what is their problem now?
Well, Chetty, as you said, these farmer union leaders had every detail about Prime Minister's movement, about the cavalcade, how it was moving, where Prime Minister was heading to. So they were being informed on mobile phones. They also told media persons that they were getting this information from the news channels, social media channels, that Prime Minister has cancelled his Hussainiwala trip and he was moving on the road. Secondly, these farmers, some of the farmer union leaders met the union minister in the morning. They were pacified. They had assured the state government, the police, that they will not block the roads, as a meeting between the Prime Minister and these farmer unions were fixed on 15th of March. It was also agreed between the farmer unions and the union minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat that the panel to deal with the MSP, guarantee of the MSP, will be formed by 15th of January, and by 31st of January, all the cases registered against the farmers in Punjab, in Haryana and in New Delhi will be withdrawn. But despite the assurances given by the farmer unions, they blocked the road. Punjab police failed to clear the road despite having given a clearance to the Prime Minister's security personnel that the road has been sanitized. But the road was blocked at Pyarawala village, where Prime Minister's cavalcade remained stranded for up to 20 minutes, and more videos have now emerged in which these farmer union leaders are claiming that this is their second victory after 3 contentious farm laws were repealed. Now they are also.
But what was their problem now? What was their problem now, Manjeet? If the farm laws have been repealed, then why do they need to protest to block the Prime Minister's route?
Well, Chaiti, there are 38 farmer unions in Punjab. Some of the unions are against the protest, but some are still protesting against. They are demanding that MSP be made a guaranteed provision. And secondly, the farmers who died during the protest should be given a compensation of 1 crore rupees besides government jobs to their families. Besides this, they've also demanded removal of the Union Minister of State for Home, and there are other demands as well. They've also decided to protest against the Punjab government. So there are many demands, and there are many farmer unions who have no consents, who are protesting separately. Remember, flags of 3 farmer unions were seen at the protest site where Prime Minister's cavalcade was standing, but only one farmer union, Bharatiya Kisan Union, Krantikari leaders have taken this.
Manjeet, hold on right there. We're coming back to you. This is a big story that we're tracking at the moment here on India Today. Let's now shift focus a little to the COVID situation in the country as well.